Want to go further on a single charge? Let's talk about how to get the most out of your Mini EV's range. It's easier than you think. Your Mini is equipped with several different modes, from green mode to go-kart mode. Every option provides a different experience. Green mode is the most efficient drive mode, automatically adjusting performance to conserve energy wherever possible. Plus, if you're really looking to stretch things out, you can activate max range. When max range is activated, Mini limits your top speed to 60 miles per hour. It also reduces the drive power and limits comfort features like heating and air conditioning. Seems like a lot, but the payoff is big. You can add about 20% to your total range. Not bad for a few small sacrifices. Your Mini also offers additional settings that help limit battery use and extend your range. Think of it as customizing your efficiency. In green mode, open the settings menu to toggle efficient climate control and efficient visibility functions on or off. These features optimize energy for things like rear window and mirror heating. Have you heard of regenerative braking? It's a form of energy recovery where lifting your foot off the accelerator when in drive sends energy back into the battery instead of wasting it. The smoother you drive, the more you recover. It's like recycling miles. Here's how to set it up. Select the gear indicator on the central display screen, which will bring you to drivetrain and chassis settings. From there, you'll see your options for energy recovery in D. You can choose adaptive, low, medium, or high. If you select adaptive, your Mini intelligently adjusts braking through energy recovery using the car's front cameras and radar sensors to read traffic and terrain. It's a little telepathic. Low, medium, or high allows you to fine-tune the braking feel to your liking. As a side note, if you switch the transmission to B, which stands for brake, then you are automatically driving with the highest recuperation level and one-pedal feeling. Max range, minimal waste, and major eco points. That's how a Mini Green Warrior drives. Keep exploring. There's plenty more to discover in the next how-to.